All right, Precalculus classes. This is our WebAssign OneNote access point. If you go to your OneNote accounts and go to the content library, I've created a tab for materials. There's also obviously Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Hopefully you guys are looking at those tabs as we go through and look at notes and I answer questions for you. I post things to that. But under the content library, I also have this materials tab. I've already clicked on the Materials tab. And as you can see, I have what we call a class key, but also there's a link there for you to use that class key. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys how to access WebAssign. Every single student is going to be using this geneva.il and then 0045 and then 7145 to basically self-enroll into our Precalculus WebAssign online access. So if I click on this, and you will do the same at home, it should take you to the Enroll with Class Key page on WebAssign. What I'll go ahead and do is just make sure that I got it all typed in correctly. So geneva.il, I'll go ahead and do that. And then I'll click on back to OneNote 0045. And then the last 4 digits, if I remember, 7145. So once you do this, you'll see that your class has been recognized. You're verifying the class information. Period 2, me, Eric Simon Sully, Geneva High School. You're going to go ahead and click on Yes, this is my class. And the first option that's available is what we want selected. I need to create a WebAssign account. So we'll click on Continue. And then you're going to enter in all the information that they ask, your preferred username. I would just use your first name, first initial, and then your last name. Password, which please stick to the guidelines off to the side, then re-enter that password. First and last name, school email address, and then student ID number. Once you set that up, you'll click Create My Account. And because I've already created a kind of fake account here to show you guys what it's all about, I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through what obviously WebAssign has to offer. I'm going to scroll down first to show you the online textbook. The online textbook is available to you anytime that you need it. For example, if and when we do some more book work, which we will do when we do section 2.7, let's say, we'll be able to open it up as such, as you can see, and there it is. You can also access answers, which if I scroll all the way down, you'll be able to open up in the appendices section, all the way down where it says answers to odd numbered exercises and tests. So that's available to you. Pretty fantastic resource, of course. And then I'm going to go back and show you guys what our first assignment is on WebAssign. It's only 8 questions. It's due on Tuesday. It's pretty straightforward in terms of how to use the technology, although you do need to read very carefully. I'm going to open it up and just give you guys a perspective as to how it all works. So homework 2.6. This is what it looks like. I will not be grading you guys for accuracy at first. Down the road, when we're doing more of this type of assignment platform, or utilize this assignment platform, I will in fact grade you guys for accuracy. I still want you to take it very seriously, and believe it or not, 8 questions probably will take you somewhere in the ballpark of a typical homework assignment. For no other reason than you're reading online, you may like some of the features before you actually submit something. Features including read it, watch it, so you guys can watch a video if you want information on how to do the problem. Other features include practicing examples. The read-its are pretty helpful, but usually what they also try to give you guys perspective on, if I could find one here, they give you perspective on practicing a problem. I mean, there's a variety of questions I will assign down the road where you can practice an example before you submit it. The Ask Your Teacher, you guys can actually ask me a question. I ask that you use that sparingly. Don't make it an every night type of thing where you're asking me, 10 questions, or in this case, 8 questions. I will do my best to answer your questions every day, or at least when you guys ask, but don't make it a thing where I'm up answering questions pretty late at night. I can't do that, but I'll do my best to answer questions here and there. My notes, you can try that as well. You can then submit your assignment once you're done, but I certainly recommend that you read very carefully, and then you'll actually see, once you submit each respective answer, you'll be able to see how you performed on it. I do have the ability to change the timing of this. In other words, I can extend the time if you need an extension. I can make it to where you can submit without being graded. So you just get to kind of keep trying the problem over and over again. But this is the WebAssign access point, and I think you guys are really going to like all that it has to offer. So that should be it. If you have any questions regarding WebAssign, please feel free to talk to me in class, or you can shoot me an email, and heck, you can even test the communication feature to kind of see how that all works. Have a great day.